Excuse me, Excel shortcut key with control key. Control minus. Delete row column name. Control double quote. Copy above cell value. Control semicolon. Display date. Control E. Flash fill. Control Q. Quick analysis. Control tilde. Show formula value. Control double quote. Copy above formula. Control 0. Hide column. Control 1. Formula box. Control 5. Strict through. Control 9. Hide row. Control A. Select all. Control B. Control 2. Bold. Control C. Copy. Control D. Fill down. Copy above. Control F. Find. Control G. F5. Go to. Control H. Replace. Control I. Control F3. Control 3. Italic. Control K. Insert hyperlink. Control L or Control T. Create table. Control U. Control 4. Underline. Control V. Paste. Control W. Close window. Control X. Cut. Control Y. Repeat action. Control Z. Undo. Control Shift. Enter. Enter a formula as an array formula. Control Delete. Delete text of the end of the line. Control End. Go to the last content. Control Enter. Fill selection entry. Control Alt V. Paste special box. Control arrow key. Go to end of data range. Control F1. Minimize restore ribbon. Control F3. Name a cell. Control F4. Close window. Control F9. Minimize workbook. Control F10. Maximize window. Control F2. Open file. Control Home. Move to cell A1. Control minimize sign. Delete selected cell. Control page up, page down. Switch worksheets. Control space. Select column. Control tab. Switch workbooks. Control open bracket. Go to present cell. Control close bracket. Go to dependent cell. Control S. Save. Control P. Print. Control Shift L. ऑटो फिल्टर। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं ऑल्ट की के साथ।